everyone, this is Sasha. I'm here to show you a product called Linkit 20-ounce tumbler. It's great for hot and cold drinks. It comes in this nice box. 2 metal straws, one that's straight and the other one that's slanted. It also comes with a straw cleaner if you want to clean your straws like this. The tumbler itself with a lid. As you can see, this tumbler is stainless steel. It has a vacuum seal lid. And if you press it up like this, you can hear the vacuum part, right? And as you open it up like this, you can add your straw, drink it in like that, the hole in it. I'm going to close it back. And also comes with an instruction manual. It says to hand wash your tumbler. It also comes in a variety of different colors, such as black, stainless steel, green. It's great for gifts, especially when Mother's Day is coming up. I'm giving this to my mom. I'm going to show you how it works. So I'm going to add some hot water in it to demonstrate it for you guys. So all I have to do is open the lid up like this. And then add some water. Okay, and then close it. Make sure everything is sealed tight. Okay. As you can see, it's not dripping. I think it's a great product for anyone to have, especially if they're on the go, they want to have their coffee or tea in it. They said for hot drinks, it could last for 6 hours, and cold drinks, it could last for 24 hours. So I think this is just a great product to have in your home. I highly recommend it to everyone. And thank you guys for watching. Okay, bye.